PC Tech Tips. I'm Jeremy. How do you use smart classroom technology? Well, the first thing we want to look at today is how do you use the Extron touch panel number 1, Extron touch panel number 2. What about the Crestron touch panel? Or even how do you lower the projector screen by using the projector screen touch panel button? For just a little while, let's talk about that. Whether you're in the classroom to teach a presentation or you're a first-time instructor, let's get started. Power. Default, it's already going to come up with PC, but this is going to be your computer. HDMI is going to be your HDMI cable right here. VGA is going to be your VGA cable right here. Auxiliary video is going to be your share link. Mute will mute your audio with the little blinky light, or unmute. And then you have your volume control here. Now, actually there is going to be a small difference. In the other classrooms, only the rooms with TVs is at the single button. In most rooms you'll have to use the on and off right here.
And if I wanted to use a piece of paper to show?
Yes, so this is on the computer itself. This is going to be HoverCam, Flex 10 or Flex 11, depending on what software version it is. But it'll always be the Flex something, and that's it.
Okay.
This one right here is kind of fun. It is just a document camera. But it's basically just a webcam that's built in here. So you can flip it up, and it'll be upside down. But if you click the little center button right here, which is flip, it'll flip the image, and you can record. So you can aim it towards your class, you can aim it towards you and do a lecture capture using this. Same thing, you can record, you can use it just to record your document camera. You've got your light control right here. You can kind of turn the camera depending on how you want it, landscape or portrait or whatever. It's always going to autofocus, but if you need it to autofocus, you can click the AF for autofocus, or the AFL, where it's autofocus lock. Click it, it'll autofocus, and then lock the focus there so it won't change. Power to turn the system on. When you have an input, it will show your input is connected. Otherwise, it will give you an error letting you know that no device is found. You have your volume up, your volume down, your mute. If you mute the system, you can do an audio mute, video mute, or mic mute. Your inputs are computer, laptop. You can connect your laptop through VGA and your audio cable. Document camera. If the room supports DVD VCR, you can use this button. DVDs can be played through the computer. To turn the system on, click on. PC is default for the Podium PC. HDMI will be your HDMI connector. VGA will be your VGA connector. ShareLink will be your wireless presentation. DocCam will be your document camera. You can freeze the image on the screen, blank the image on the screen, or mute your audio. You also have your volume control to set your volume limit. When you're done, turn the system off. Projector down. Hello again. I hope you were able to learn something. If you have any questions, just let us know.